Hello friends, this is Dhruvia. If you are seeing my face for the first time, then please do subscribe to see my further videos. Yes, it's a different background, everything is different today. Yes, because it's Sunday morning and I am here to tell you guys different tips, like that one tip, like what I apply on my hair for this long, big, silky, smooth hair. Okay, so I apply dahi on my head, like on my scalp as well as on my hair. So it smooths my hair, it makes it very silky, it removes dandruff, it even removes itchiness, and it is amazing. And the problem, like does it smell or not? Yes, it does smell, but after washing it, like what I do is I wash with water and then I wash with shampoo, so that shampoo ka smell on my hair remains that. So that dahi wala smell don't stinks on my head, so it is amazing and it really helps. You can see the results in first wash itself. So I'll show you how I apply. Like I don't apply, my mom apply dahi on my head, so I'll show you that. And yeah, that's it. Without wasting time, let's go to the video. Okay, first thing, this kapda, so that your clothes don't get dirty. I am in night dress, but it's fine. So I have applied this same thing on that oil wala thing. So yeah, you can remove dandruff by other oil and lemon on your head. So you can see that video. I'll put the link in the description box or on that I button. Okay, so you can apply. Okay, so this is normal dahi. Wait, I forgot to show you. I'll show you. See, this is normal dahi, and it is 1 day old. So the old dahi gives you best results. Even same day ka dahi will work, but old wala works more nice. Okay. Okay, so you have to massage it little so it goes inside your scalp very nicely. And next thing what you have to do is, after applying on scalp, apply on your hair also. So for this, you, like if you apply dahi, you won't need to apply conditioner. Since I have long hair, it will take time. See, my mom is applying on my hair. So now what you have to do is just tie your hair. It's done. Tie it with this buckle or whatever you are using. Okay, you can even put shower cap if you have. I have, but I am too lazy to wash that shower cap after putting this on my head. So I'll keep this way only, since I have even worn night dress. So it's fine. Ultimately, it's going to go for wash. So yeah, we'll wait for 20 minutes. Can walk around, can do a lot of stuffs, and then go and wash my hair. Okay guys, so I have washed my hair and they are amazing. Like I regularly wash it, so I know it. You do try, at least try once, you'll get the results in that one wash only. And no, it's not smelling, it is the smell of shampoo, so it's nice. Okay, and they are still little wet since I have washed it now only. Okay, so now I'll tell you different benefits of applying curd or dahi on your head. So yeah, dahi makes your hair stronger than before. It makes your hair shiny and look really amazing. It removes dandruff. It conditions your hair. You don't need to apply conditioner after washing since it is already very smooth. It helps you less down the hair fall. So like your hair, since your hair are stronger, it will less fall and gradually it will be like no hair fall. Like yeah. See, I have such a long hair, so my hair fall is literally very less. Get rid of split ends, get rid of itchy scalp. Like in summer and monsoon you get itchy scalp, so get rid of that also. Okay, so now the question is, what should we apply, the oil wala thing or this dahi wala thing? So what I do, I'll tell you guys frankly, so you decide whatever you like. What I do is I wash my hair twice a week. So once a week I apply dahi and second time I apply oil with that lemon. I'll have, since I said I have uploaded a video of that, you can have a look on that also. So since I do both the things, my hair are really, touch wood, but my hair are really strong and no hair fall and nice. So I love my hair. So if you want such hair, just do follow these simple steps and it is chemical free. And yeah, that's all for today. I hope you like my video. Don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe and click on that bell icon so you'll get notified each time I upload a new video. And do subscribe. Soon we are going to cross 10k subscribers and I have literally good surprises for you guys. Yeah, that's all. Bye bye. Meet you in next video.